Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 9 best exercises for bigger lats. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Your lats form a large fan-shaped muscle group that runs along your back in a V shape starting from your lower back, all the way to your upper arms. On the way there it also connects to your spine, your pelvis, and your lower ribs. It's also considered the largest muscle group of the back, so lats are very important for shoulder movements, all of your pulling movements, and good posture. Strengthening and developing your lats will not only help you lift more weight for all of your upper body exercises, including even your push movements like the bench press, but it will also benefit activities like swimming, shoveling, and throwing. So, let's jump right into the 9 best exercises that you can do to build bigger and stronger lats. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 9. Renegade Row. The Renegade Row is all about maximizing the use of a position to the highest degree. Take 2 high bang for your buck moves, like the plank and push-up, and make them even beneficial by adding more elements to work for several muscle groups. Work with light dumbbells here, keeping the proper spinal position is just as important in rowing the weight. To do this wonderful exercise you should grab a pair of light dumbbells and about as much space as you would need to do push-ups. Get in a plank position with your feet spread wide, gripping the dumbbells with your palms facing parallel to each other. Strongly hold your glutes and core to have a strong spinal alignment. Look at the floor ahead of you. Apply your lats to row one of the dumbbells to chest height, then turn the weight to the ground, keeping the rest of your body balanced in its position. Control the load up and down the move. If you have to bend your body and turn your back to lift the dumbbells, drop down to a lower weight. Do a push-up, keep spinal alignment, and repeat the motion with the opposite arm. Number 8. Pull-up. Yes. As you know, pull-ups are hard. Hang from a pull-up bar with your arms extended, hands shoulder width apart, and your palms facing away from you. Brace your core and slowly pull yourself up, keeping your back straight, of course until your neck is above the bar. Pause, then lower in an equally controlled manner until your arms are straight again. Number 7. Lat pull down. This is an excellent move for those who can't yet do a pull-up. Other than the fact that you're sitting down, a pull-down is the same movement as a pull-up, except you don't have to start with your whole body weight. The pronated grip lets you target muscles of the upper back, biceps, and lats. Set yourself up with your legs under the pad and hands taking the bar attachment slightly wider than shoulder width with pronated palms facing away grip. With the core tight and the torso upright or even a little arched, pull the bar down to the back of the neck. Slowly resist the weight as you return to the starting position. Number 6. Dumbbell pullover. You're going to be holding that weight above that gorgeous mug of yours. Lie with your head and back flat on a bench, and your feet flat on the ground, holding one dumbbell in both hands with your arms extended above your chest. Keeping your arms extended, lower the dumbbell behind your head until it's roughly level with your head, then bring it back up to above your chest. If you start to feel discomfort in your shoulders, don't lower the weight any further. Instead, go and work on your shoulder mobility and or pick a lighter dumbbell. Number 5. Chin up. The chin up needs a sturdy chin up bar that's high enough off the ground that your feet won't touch the floor when your arms are extended. To do a chin up, stand under the chin up bar, and reach both arms up so that your palms are fronting you. Take the bar with both hands. You may need to jump or step up to touch the bar. With a firm grasp and your thumbs wrapped around the bar, steady your body. Pause for a moment, then slowly lower yourself to the opening position before repeating the move. Number 4. Landmine row. Take the weight plates off one end of a barbell and secure it by wedging it in a corner or a dedicated landmine holder, if your gym has one. Load up the other end of the bar and straddle it, holding the weight in both hands in front of you. Lean forward so your torso is at a 45 degrees angle to the floor and then row the bar up to your chest by drawing your elbows back and squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower it slowly. Number 3. Standing cable pullover. Here you'll want to set the pulley high on your cable cross, attach a straight bar, and then take a grip a few inches wider than shoulder width. Keep your arms straight but not locked out, so maintain a slight bend in your elbows and bend forward to get your hips out of the way so you can create a longer range of motion. Take a step back so that the weight is hovering above the rest of the stack. Keep your shoulder blades back and your arms straight, bring the bar down aiming for the front of your hips. Control the bar on the way back up and repeat for reps. Number 2. Deadlift. The deadlift is one of the best compound workouts that target several muscles. To do this movement, stand in front of a loaded barbell with your feet should be as wide as your shoulders, hips back, and back flat. The knees should be bent slightly to let you grasp the bar tightly, slightly wider than shoulder width. Maintain your back flat and chest up, squeeze the back muscles and straighten the arms as you load the pull. With everything locked, aggressively push your legs into the floor as you simultaneously stretch your chest and shoulders upwards, lifting the bar to the hip. Number 1. Bend over row. The bend over row has a lot of exercise variability. You load your muscles more efficiently as you're able to move a lot of weight in the bend over row position. Set up as you would for your deadlift by standing feet shoulder width apart in front of a loaded barbell. Hinge at the hips until your torso is about parallel to the floor. Take the barbell with a grip that's a bit wider than your typical deadlift grip. Lean back, so your weight is on your heels, and row the barbell, leading the pull with your elbow until it touches around your belly button. There are lots of other workouts you can try. You can do each one that you are more comfortable with, but never skip this important muscle on your training plan. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.